Alright, so we just did injector cups on our 99 F350. Went pretty good. Just got it so we forgot to turn the engine over before we put the injectors back in, so it was a bit hydro locked, so we let it sit, let it turn over, so it might be a little smoky, but let's see what she does.
I don't know about that yet.
Yeah, just keep giving it a rest like that. If it doesn't fire, we'll try the Schrader valve. Yep. Let's see if the valves come out. Holy poop.
Get that?
Yeah. Nice. Still a bit of smoke coming out. Let that run till it clears up.